Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add mods to Lunar Client so you can customize your Minecraft experience even more. First, it's important to know that Lunar Client doesn't allow regular third-party mods to be added directly inside the client because Lunar uses its own built-in mod system. However, you can still use additional mods by launching Minecraft through a separate Fabric or Forge installation while keeping Lunar installed for other versions. To do this, go to the official Forge or Fabric website and download the installer for the version you want. Run the installer, create the new profile, and then open your Minecraft folder. Inside the folder, find or create a mods folder and download the mods you want from safe sites like Modrinth or CurseForge. Place your mod files inside that folder, then open the Minecraft launcher and select the Forge or Fabric profile you just installed. Launch the game and all your added mods will load together, giving you full control while still keeping Lunar available whenever you need it. Subscribe the channel for more videos.